Hello! In this video I will show you how to install RAR application on OPPO Find X8. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in RAR. Now click search and then click install. Now click open and then click here to allow this app to manage your files, and now you can go back and click allow, then click dismiss, and now click on the folder that you have some files stored in and select some files. Now click on the button of plus icon, and here you can change some settings, or you can just use defaults and click OK. And as you can see, my archive is now created. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.